Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the standard December Ipsy GlamBag. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was a spoiler for the December BoxyCharm base box. Congratulations, Lisa415. Lisa says, "Hey Mandy, glad to hear you are feeling better." Well, I'm glad to be feeling better myself, honey. I thought that thing would have me down for a while, and I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump straight into this. I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the spoilers. Now again, this is for the standard Ipsy bag for December. The first thing is Purelease Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 in the shade light medium. Pretty sure there's going to be different shades, y'all. The next thing is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party Dress. The next thing is something I cannot pronounce, y'all. It is Belle In Origin or something like that. And again, something else I can't pronounce, that A word. Cream lip color in Click Your Heels. The next thing is the Suave Beauty eyeshadow in Empire State. The next thing is Cielo, the Black Gold Supreme Coffee Scrub. And then the last thing, but certainly not least, is the Complex Culture All Over Highlight Powder Brush. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Anita Sweet. Nita says, "Hope you're feeling better." I'm feeling much better, and I really love that name, honey, because I'm always screaming that, Anita Sweet. Man, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life. That's what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift. So you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video. But you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement. But it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another video of mine. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.